Okay, friends, what were we discussing last time about ego? Does anybody remember? I know you cannot talk, it's early morning, but if you want to message, you can message. What are the things we discussed? We discussed that ego lives on identity, different kind of identities that it has. Physical item, your body, friendships, parent, couples, belief system. Through all these, we develop our ego. Different kind of identification, body, gender, culture, nationality, religion, so many things, job, age. Through this, we try to develop our ego. Then we discussed on um, that four characteristics of ego, where the ego equates having with being, that when I have this, that means I am. Yeah, if I have this pain, that means I exist. So I will keep having that pain so that I can feel that I exist. Ego lives on comparison. Ego is never satisfied, and ego's sense of self-worth often depends on the worth you have in the eyes of others. Yeah. So now, next part we go on ego is uh, ego. This is a very important part, and we should be very aware of it. The ego's need to feel superior. Okay? It is the ego in us which always wants to feel better than others, superior than others. Okay? And how do we do it? We do it by, through people, by enhancing its value through people. How do we do it? By saying that, see, I have a celebrity friend. I know. So, because I'm into spiritual organization, and there are so many, since many years, I have in the beginning, I myself now when I connect, I said, yes, I used to feel very good that, oh, she's a celebrity and she's my friend. Now I can relate to it. Yeah. So, so this is what happens. We feel very good when we have celebrity friends or friend who is very rich or very famous, and if they are our friends, we feel superior, thinking that देखो मेरे दोस्त का group देखो. It's like that. Okay, so we have to be very careful, friends. Be aware that it has nothing to do with क्या दोस्त क्या कुछ. It is just be satisfied with your own consciousness. That should be enough. And then second is, so did you see what I'm saying? I'm saying ego need to feel superior. How does it feel superior? First is through friends, through people. If we have influential people, आपने कभी देखा है कि जैसे हमारे there are some MLAs around, and in Durga Puja, some MLA will come, and if the committee is arranging for some MLA to come, they will say, he came and we were very close because we were in the committee, we were very close to him. Yeah, the same thing you'll see in Denmark with the ambassador. They will all take picture and post it in the FB. Have you seen that? I see so many pictures of the ambassador, people taking picture and posting in FB as if something great they have achieved. Yeah. So this is one of the need of the ego to feel superior by saying that I have great influential friends. Okay. The second is gossiping. Yeah, friends, gossiping. It's women are like very easily they can. get into gossiping, but we should be careful about it, friends, because why do we gossip? Deep down, you will see. I've seen, many friends around me. And when they discuss, maybe one person has such good qualities, so many qualities in that person, and the person is doing great. You will see two, three people together will come together and discuss only the quality which is not good in him or her. Have you noticed it? Maybe the person has amazing qualities, many other qualities. They don't even talk of the good qualities. They only want to focus on the bad quality or something which has gone wrong. Hmm? Birthday party. You will arrange a birthday party. You have done amazing, things for arranging the birthday party and everything. And you will see suddenly you will hear that yet here somebody else will say that in your birthday party na they were discussing that this you did not do it nicely, this you did not do it nicely. So जो ठीक नहीं है उसको लेके अभी गॉसिप करना स्टार्ट कर दो. Yeah, so why we do it is a need to feel superior, friends. Okay, one of the basic need for gossiping is the need to feel superior. We want to feel that I am better than that person. That's why I want to pinpoint and make sure that if that person goes low, then only I will feel up, right? That's why जो अच्छा नहीं है उसको लेके डिस्कस करते हैं और हम थोड़ा ऊपर चले जाएंगे. So we have to be careful on all these things. The second point. The third point is manifesting an inferiority complex. In many people have inferiority complex. एंड वो लगता है कि देखो देखो कितना अच्छा है, हम्बल बंदा है, कितना अच्छा है, कितना वो है. बट डीप डाउन दैट पर्सन इज ऑल्सो डीप डाउन वांटिंग टू बी, एंड ही सेज, एंड दैट पर्सन डीप डाउन विल से ओ आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ, देखो वो लोग कितना अच्छा कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. Why do you feel that that they are doing great, I am not doing, I feel so bad, others are studying this and I'm not, I'm only 10th pass, and all these things? Why do you feel inferiority complex? Because deep down you also want to be better than those people, right? Deep down heart में क्या चल रहा है, मैं उनसे थोड़ा better हो जाऊं. So inferiority complex is also, it's a mask of, deep down it is an ego, want to feel better. Hmm? Superiority complex, people who have the superiority complex that, oh, कोई कुछ भी नहीं है, मैं ही सब कुछ हूँ, मैं हूँ, right? I have, we all have those experiences in our life where people out of superiority they do so much of wrong things in life. And it also deep down, when people show superiority, we should not be angry with them, we should be very compassionate, because deep down, they don't feel good enough, they don't feel good enough inside. They unko, the people who are very contented, they will neither feel inferior nor feel superior. They will feel I'm happy and I'm equal to everybody. But people who have this inferiority and superiority complex, this comes from the feeling of not being good enough. तो मुझे अभी प्रूव करना है कि मैं दूसरों से बेटर हूं, तो मुझे दिखाना है, देखो मेरे पास ये है वो है, या फिर मैं इतनी क्वालिफाइड हूँ. Yeah, this comes from this, again, the ego wants to feel better than others. Looking for fame, friends. If many times I've told you that prepare your kids never to look for fame. The greatest gift you can give to your kids is that they should not look for fame. Many of our friends here, they have started working, my friends here, my volunteers, they've started working on, together we are working on social media, we are working on making things better, of YouTube and everything. But that is not to make me look better or famous, or to the whole group look become famous. The intention of it is to, so that it can spread to more and more people. Okay, and that is why I tell you that never, never do anything with the thought that, oh, ये करूंगी तो मैं famous बन जाऊंगी. you know if तुम्हारा अगर दिमाग में ये है, deep down understand that you are not, you don't feel whole enough, you don't feel good enough. That's why you don't feel valid, you don't validate yourself, you don't love yourself, you don't respect yourself. That's why तुम्हें लोग चाहिए तुमको दिखाने के लिए, तुम कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट हो, कितनी स्पेशल हो, कितनी फेमस हो. Okay, so understand, and that's why when a child comes back, नेवर वाओ एंड टेल अदर्स सी ही हैज डन दिस। हम बहुत प्राउडली बोलते हैं लोगों को कि देखो मेरे बेटे ने ये किया है, मेरी बेटी ने ये किया है, लेकिन हम डीप डाउन जब ऐसा करते रहते बच्चा भी सुन रहा है और उसको लग रहा है कि हाँ देखो प्रेज आ रहा है, तो उसको फिर एक्सटर्नल प्रेज से ही एडिक्शन हो जाएगा कि बाहर देखो मैं नाचती हूँ, लोग देखते हैं मैं कितना सुंदर नाचती हूँ, मैं कितनी अच्छी हूँ पढ़ाई में, कितना कुछ हूँ, तो लोग देख रहे हैं। यस, when people praise, take the praise, it's so good, कोई प्रेज करता है क्यों नहीं लोगे, तुम बोलोगे कि नहीं नहीं प्रेज मत करो, नहीं नहीं मैं अपने आप में खुश हूं, बट उसको दिमाग में मत चढ़ाओ, डोंट टेक इट टू योर हेड, बिकॉज यू शुड बी इनफ। Your qualifications, your education, your extracurricular activity should not make you feel special. You are special just the way you are. This is what it is talking about. Your need to looking for fame. दिस इट्स एन इल्यूजन। हम क्यों फेम, बिकॉज इसमें भी हम दूसरों से बेटर फील करते हैं, राइट? जब हम फेमस फील करते हैं, फेमस, व्हाई डू वी वांट टू बिकम फेमस? बिकॉज इट मेक्स अस, इट सेपरेट्स अस फ्रॉम अदर्स, and it wants us make feel, we want to feel that, oh see, I'm better than others, that's why I'm famous. Okay, so then being right, friends, being right is another thing which destroys relationship. बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप इसी चीज पे डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया है कि बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज वांट टू प्रूव दैट वी आर राइट। हाँ, वी आर ऑल एंड दैट पर्सन इज रॉन्ग, एंड फॉर दैट वी, हम अपने आप को राइट करने के चक्कर में अपने क्लोज पीपल को भी इतना गंदे तरीके से रॉन्ग फील करवाते कि उनका रेस्पेक्ट, उनका खुद का सेल्फ वर्थ खराब हो जाता है। यू नो अपने, forget about others, just the family members. Sometimes when we want to prove that this, I am right, what I am saying, then we can go to any extent to prove that the other person is wrong. Yeah, I am the only person who is right. Yes, right? So, they here, see, Hitler also thought he was right and he was doing such great things. Nelson Mandela was also thinking he's right and he was doing all the things. So, सब right होंगे तो wrong कौन है? Right? If everybody is right, who is wrong? So we should understand that everybody is right in their own way, and I don't have to prove that only I am right. That person can also be right in his own way. Okay, this is also the tendency of the ego to feel superior. When I show myself I am right, I become superior to the other person with whom I'm fighting. The same thing happens with complaining friends, of people, of situation and everything. इस कंप्लेन का मतलब क्या है? देखो वो मेरे साथ ऐसा किया है, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया एंड एवरीथिंग, यू नो एंड हो गया, क्या कर सकते हैं? एवरीबडी इज a human being. Huh? The worst, sometimes, even in my life, friends, there were times when I went through such bad pain. Okay, I needed therapist, I needed family support, I needed everybody to come out of it. I was in so much of pain. I was in so much of in betrayal. I thought, I cannot trust. I trusted and I believed, and all my trust was broken. I still, when I think, the tears come up in my eyes, thinking that I trusted so much, believed so much, and the belief was broken. Yeah. Still, I have to forgive. And I say, okay, I forgive you, you know, and that's over. But what happens is that if you keep complaining, again it is a tendency of the ego to prove that that person was wrong, those friends were wrong who did this to me, that fellow was wrong who did this to me, and I was okay. Everybody is doing their, everybody, सबका उनका बेस्ट से ही वो दे रहे हैं उनके, they have their own childhood traumas, they have their own past life karmas and all these things, so they are doing whatever they could, how they could cope with that pain. They coped, and for that maybe I suffered. That's okay. Huh? But stop complaining and live life just however जो भी आ रहा है उसको, क्योंकि ऐसे करेंगे तो again, I will not be able to work on myself. I see I am a better human being today because पहले when someone did something to me, it really hurted. I went into depression, I went into stress, I went into trauma and all these things. सबके साथ होगा ऐसा. Okay? And then you will realize there is no point in blaming other people. कुछ चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. ओके, कुछ चेंज नहीं होला है. क्या चेंज होगा? इफ यू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. द ओनली थिंग दैट विल चेंज इन योर लाइफ, if you work on yourself. Nothing is going to move if you keep blaming. And that's why I have come out, friends. Many times when I have gone through like this, every time when something happened, मेरे साथ बहुत कुछ हुआ and everything, initially maybe as a human being I also reacted, but later I realized complain करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. मुझे अपने साथ ही मैं, when I will die, I will die alone. When I took birth, I took birth alone. So I need to only keep working on myself. That's all. Right? Without complaining. And the final is stop seeking attention. देखो, seeking attention के चक्कर में हम लोग कितना कुछ करते हैं, right? We pierce, we do tattooing, full body tattooing. There are so many people who will do full body tattooing because people will, when you'll see in US, you will see, and in Western countries, you see full body tattoo and walk kar and everything. Maybe they are very good people. We should not judge. But there is deep down a tendency to seek attention. बिकॉज टैटू करेंगे तो हम देखेंगे गंदा, गंदा तरीके से ही सही, जज भी करे तो करेंगे सही, बट एटलीस्ट देख तो रहे हो. That's why you will see there are many kids who do a lot of naughty things. होते हैं ना, very troublesome kids at home. They also actually do it to get attention. कभी कभी देखना, अगर kids बहुत trouble कर रहे हैं घर पे, somewhere deep down the parents are actually not giving the kid total attention. And they are very busy with their own job or mobile and social media, that the kid is not getting attention. Then that kid, because from childhood it understood कि उसको तो attention नहीं मिलता है, तो उसको कुछ mischief करना पड़ेगा attention के लिए. And that's when it starts doing all these things. Yeah. So um so that's why, understood the points. Friends, I want you to write it down, friends. All of it, मैं जब पढ़ाती हूँ ना, make sure to see you are also, after a certain point of time when this group grows and everything, you will also have to teach. You will also have to, encourage, bring more. Then उसके बाद क्या करोगे आप? आपके पास notes ही नहीं है. How will you encourage people? How will you teach others? I really encourage everybody to keep copy and notes so that you use your notes to reach out to people, encourage others to also start meditation, teach them also the science of meditation. Okay? Morning hi sahi. Please sit with a freshness. Okay, at least you will write. Even if if you're not taking brush or anything, at least sit with a pen and paper to write down the notes so that you can use it. Even for your few दू, दूसरों का छोड़ दो, खुद के लिए ही सही है, लिखो. क्योंकि ईगो इज सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक, फ्रेंड्स. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम इन आवर लाइफ हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ ईगो. The story that we create with identification. The moment we are aware of the ego ना, हम कुछ भी चीज को बढ़ाने के पहले, why we are studying ego, because हमारा emotions बहुत, one of the reason of our emotions fluctuating so much is because हम ego से इतना attached है, समझ में ही नहीं आता है कि illusion में आ गए हैं. किसी ने मुझे भाव नहीं दिया, oh my god, हाँ, इतनी बुरी है, उसको लेके सारा दिन बना दे. Then when I realize कि it's my ego which is wanting attention, देन इमीडिएटली मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा कौन भाव दे रहा है नहीं दे रहा है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम रुचि. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच, फ्रेंड्स. होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट डे. आई विल सी यू अगेन टुमारो. ठीक है, बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी.
बाय दीदी। सॉरी, मैं भी लिख ही रही थी बिकॉज मैं भूल जाती हूँ आपने जो सिखाया था।
कोई बात नहीं, बट आई रिक्वेस्ट के रखो, क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स, आफ्टर अ सर्टेन ऑफ टाइम यू आर आल्सो गोइंग टू बिकम टीचर्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन. हाउ विल यू डू इट इफ यू डोंट राइट इट डाउन?
यस, यस,
जब ग्रुप अगर बड़ा होगा तो कैसे सीखना है, लिखना है.
यस।
ठीक है, चलो. ओके,
थैंक यू दीदी, बाय।
बाय बाय.